Welcome and thank you for joining us for our 2022 virtual Fall Open House. We cannot wait to share with you all of the amazing things that make us special at the U of R. We always like to start these events off in a good way by acknowledging that the University of Regina is situated on Treaty 4 lands with a presence in Treaty 6. These are the territories of the Cree, Saulteaux, Dakota, Lakota, and Nakota, and the homeland of the Métis. Today, these lands continue to be shared territory of many diverse peoples from near and far. We are so excited to have you take part in our virtual open house event. When you access the virtual open house website, the landing page you start on will host some informational videos, including this video, and a welcome from our university president, Dr. Jeff Keshen. You will also have access to our live sessions, on-demand videos and resources, as well as a drop-in Q&A session. We'll first check into the event by clicking the Event Check-in Here button located at the top of the page. We have also included a schedule of live sessions. As you can see here, the event will start at 10 a.m. with a session that will welcome attendees to the virtual open house and provide a basic overview of the U of R. Beginning at 11 a.m., we will host an adult learner information session, followed by an application workshop beginning at 1 p.m. You can join a live session by clicking the Join Live Session button. We also have on-demand videos and resources to discover the U of R on your schedule. Here, you will see all of the on-demand videos and resource options separated into drop-down menus that are sorted by faculty options and on-campus opportunities and supports. Check out these quick links for more information and videos about each drop-down. In this example, you can see that there is a link to our viewbook, which provides information on programs, student services, and campus life. The on-demand videos and resources page is also a great way to discover specific program options available through each faculty. For example, want to discover more about what you will learn by pursuing a major within the Faculty of Arts? Check out their introduction video under the Arts section. Still have questions after browsing all that our virtual open house has to offer? Stop by our Q&A room to talk to an expert from Enrollment Services or UR International. When you select the Join Drop-in Session button, it will take you instantly to our Zoom meeting room. Still unsure about what you want to study or what high school courses you need for admission after today? Book an enrollment counseling appointment with us. We can help. Thank you for joining us. We hope that you explore, discover, and enjoy the beginning of your post-secondary journey at the University of Regina.